Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play two players on Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on PlayStation 5. First, connect a second PlayStation 5 controller to your console. Make sure both controllers are fully charged to avoid any interruptions during your gaming session. Once connected, launch Call of Duty Black Ops 6 from your PlayStation 5's home screen to begin the process. After launching the game, navigate to the main menu. You'll need to select either Multiplayer or Zombies mode to enable split screen. Player 2 should then press the X button on their connected controller. This action will prompt them to either log into an existing PlayStation Network account or create a temporary guest account for the session. With both players successfully logged in, you'll see two characters displayed on the screen, indicating split-screen readiness. Player 1, as the host, can now proceed to select the preferred game mode, such as Team Deathmatch or Domination, and choose a map. Once all selections are confirmed, you can start your two-player match and enjoy the action together. To enhance your two-player experience, consider adjusting individual controller settings for each player. Clear communication with your teammate is crucial for strategic plays and achieving objectives. Remember to utilize the split-screen view to your advantage, allowing each player to cover different angles and provide support. Have fun dominating the battlefield together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.